Hi folks, I am reviewing this Blue Heavens Eye Essential Makeup Kit, which is minimally priced yet superbly effective. These are some packings that I have, the outside packings. It comes in a pack of 4 and the first is mascara that I am talking about. It is very light on your eyelashes and it lifts up and boosts your eyelashes tremendously. Secondly, I have this True Brow Pencil. So whenever you want to have a bold look and you want to volumize your eyebrows naturally, this is your go-to product. Thirdly, I have this kajal, which is smudge proof and waterproof and survives throughout the day. Fourth product is not with me, which is the eyeliner. Unfortunately, my sister stole it because she really loved it. So talking about the eyeliner, it is very soft on your eyes. It comes off easily and it provides you a very minimal look. So you can wear it every day. I am using these products in my everyday life. Totally satisfied with the quality, yet I think the outside body could be a little more attractive because obviously we all like carrying gorgeous products in our makeup kit. So what are you waiting for? Go buy your eye essential makeup kit from Blue Heaven, which does not burn a hole in your pockets.